Alright, so basically we need to factor trinomials. We have two different cases. The first case, a equal 1, and the second case, a greater than 1. Alright, so a equal 1. First, we need to identify a, b, c. Okay, so we look at this one. We have a is the coefficient in front of s squared, so a, which means 1. If you don't see anything right here, you put 1. B, we have -5, and then c equals 6. Alright, and then we use the S method. It's super powerful method. S method is super fast. Alright, so right here on the top right here, we put the value of c. Okay, so c equals 6. Bottom right here, we put the value of b, so b equals -5. Now we need to do mental math. Okay, so we need to find two integers that multiply equals 6 and add up to -5. Alright, so the answer should be -2 and -3. Alright, so once you have -2, -3, then it's very simple. So the answer should be like this. Ask blank. Close parenthesis. Ask blank. Close parenthesis. Now you need to put the number right here. -2, put subtract 2. -3, subtract 3. Alright, we can check our work. We can use box method to check our work. So you have box method right here. Alright, we have s minus 2. We put s right here. -2 here. S minus 3, we have s right here, -3 here. Now we need to multiply s times s, it could be s squared. S times -2, -2s. S times -3, -3s. And then -3 times -2, this could be 6. Now if we add them up, it's going to be exactly this one, right here. Alright, so let's move on to the second example right here. Alright, same thing. We need to identify a equal 2, p equal 39, and then c equal -41. Alright, and then we still use the S method, so we put S right here. Now, because a greater than 1, so we have a equal 2 right here. We need to put AC right here. And then we need to put B right here. A times C, which means 2 times -41. So it's going to be -82. And then B right here equal 39. Alright, now we need to do mental math. We need to find two integers that multiply equal -82 and add up to 39. So it should be 41 and -2. Alright, now we do the same process like we did on the left hand side right here. So it turned out to be ask blank, ask blank. Alright, and we just fill in the blank right here. This is 41, you put plus 41 because it's plus positive number, positive 41. This positive, and -2, you put -2 here. Now, if we stop right here, we haven't done yet, okay? So we need to do additional step because a equal 2 different from 1. Okay, so we take the coefficient right here, 41 right here. This is a constant, so we divide by 2. The constant right here, we divide by 2. Okay, divide by a right here, divide by a. And then we simplify. Look at the first one right here. We cannot simplify because 41 is not divisible by 2. If it's not simplified, and then you need to multiply 2 times s right here. Okay, so you have 2s plus 41. Close it. And then the second one, we simplify because 2 and 2 right here gone. The answer should be 1. So the answer should be s minus 1. And this is the final answer. It's pretty fast. Alright, so we can check our work using box method. Check it. Oop, oop. Alright, so we put s 2s right here, 41 right here. We put s right here, we put -1 right here. Now we need to multiply them. S times 2s, it could be 2s squared. S times 41, it could be 41s. Negative 1 times 2s, it could be negative 2s. And negative 1 times 41 is going to be negative 41. And then if we add them up, it's exactly this answer right here. And that's it.